This is all the leek here in the garden. Beside this old greenhouse that is smashed from storm. This is the leaves. Smell good. Just we remove this yellow since it's older, and this fresh one is we can make soup from this. This is ready. This leek is just growing here. One time we plant a few and it continued to spread here in garden, which is good news. And every year we have free soup from this wild leek. And same time this wild leek, it's medicinal plants. So this is the wild leek that we cutted. It will be soon. There's new shoots is growing and another leaves to harvest. So it's good that we have this kind of leek inside garden because they stay forever. I mean, they are perennial, not like other leek that is selling on a garden store that you can only plant 1 year and finish. So this kind of leek is growing every year here in garden, and even they are resistant from cold in winter. So it's good that we have in our garden. We have free leek and no need for taking care. I mean, they are less maintenance kind of plants. It's good to keep inside the garden. That is a good thing if we have wild plants or wild vegetable. They're growing with this walking onion around. This walking onion. So this is all the wild leek that we get from our garden. There are many and very fresh leaves. It's best for making soup or side vegetable for a meal. In our next video, we will show you how to cook a soup from our wild leek in fast and easy way. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you find our video interesting. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to be updated to our next video. Bye!